Hello, welcome to Dawa CIT. In this session, I'm going to talk about insert, update, delete and select in ASP.NET Gridview. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DDL and DML operation in Gridview. So before we start, first we should know what exactly the Gridview is. Gridview is a rich and versatile control which helps we can retrieve the data from database and display the value of a data source in a tabular format in the front end. In Gridview control, we can use the DDL and DML operation like select, insert, update and delete. So without delay, let's get started. I have already made the design. So let's see the design. If I insert any value here, then it will first store in the database and then display in the grid view. How and in what way the insert operation is used in the grid view, this is what we will learn today. So first of all, we have to create a database. So open SQL Server. I already created database. If you don't know how to create a database, I will give a link in the description below and you can watch from there. Customer is a database name and customer TBL is a table name. Here I have taken 6 columns: customer ID, customer name, address, mobile number and email ID, etc. You can give the name of the columns according to you. Okay. So first of all, we have to type coding on submit button. So come back to Visual Studio. Click on source. btn submit. In submit button, you type here, on click, create new event. Right click here and view code. Before typing anything here, first we have to define connection string in web config. So open web config, type here connection strings. Inside connection string, type here add name DBCS. You can write here anything, okay, as your according. Connection string, data source, and type here server name. How to find your server name? Open SQL Server, click on File, connect Object Explorer. See server name, okay, copy. And paste here. Semicolon, initial catalog, type here database name. Your database name is customer, right? Semicolon, integrated security, equal to true. Control plus S, save, open index.spx.cs. And now type here namespace. Using system dot data, using system dot data dot SQL client, using system dot configuration. And now type here string variable name, string name, CS, configuration manager, dot connection string, and type here connection string name. This. Paste. Dot connection string, semicolon. Inside btn submit, type here using SQL connection and variable name con equal to new SQL connection. And type here this string name CS, and type here con dot open SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. Type here insert into table name, this table name, okay, customer TBL, customer TBL, values, and type here single quotation mark, inside double quotation mark, inside plus plus, and type here text box name, this, okay, txt name, txt name dot comma single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, and type here txt address dot text single quotation mark, comma single quotation mark, comma single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, and type here txt mobile number, right, txt mob dot text text, comma single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, and type here txt email dot text text, semicolon, and type here int t equal to cmd dot execute non query if t is greater than 0, response dot write double quotation and type here script, close script tag, and type here alert single quotation mark and type here word as your recording. Okay, so when the value has inserted correctly, then the message will be shown like data has been submitted semicolon, click on build solution, build succeeded. Okay, there is no error here. Okay, so now Ctrl plus S, save and execute. Here there is no need to provide customer ID because customer ID is already set by identity, one by one. So that's why there is no need to enter here customer ID. Okay, it's a by default store one by one. So enter customer name Samir Verma, like address Delhi South X, enter mobile number and type your email ID. Now click on submit button. See, data has been submitted successfully. Now let's check a database. Right click and execute SQL. See, data is stored in the customer table, See, one row has affected Shamir Verma, Delhi South X. If you want all this text to be cleared after submission, then you will have to write some code. Come back to Visual Studio. I will create here function for clearing all the text. Type here void function name clear txt name dot text semicolon txt add dot txt txt mob dot text txt email dot text, and now this clear function copy and paste here. Ctrl plus V semicolon, Ctrl plus S, save, open browser and refresh. Enter customer name Aman Malhotra, address Mumbai West, mobile number, email ID @com, and now click on submit button. See, data has been submitted successfully. Now we will see the text is also clear, right? Now let's check. Right click, execute SQL, say Amal Malhotra, Mumbai West. Data is inserted. If anything mistake while inserting, then you can also reset. For this process, we have to write code on reset button. Okay. Open index.spx and type here on click, create new event and right click and view code, and now copy this and paste here. Ctrl plus S, save, open browser and refresh. If anything mistake while inserting, then you can remove all this text using reset button. Say all this text have removed, right? And now whatever I inserted the data in database, this data I want to display in Gridview here. Okay, so come back to Visual Studio, click on Toolbox, double click on Gridview, design mode, and now click on auto format and select design as your according. Okay, now click on edit column, select bound field, click on add. In header text section, type here customer ID, and data field, type here this column name. Okay, CID, customer ID, CID. Now again select bound field, click on add, type here customer name, data field, this column names. Okay, CNNAME, customer name. Select bound field, click on add and type here address, data field, column name. Okay, select bound field, click on add and type here mobile number, data field, MOB number, MOBNO. Select bound field, click on add, email ID, data field, this column name. Okay, I changed the name of header text of customer ID and customer name. Okay, deselect auto generate fields and click on OK. Okay, right click, view code, protected, void, gv bind, Gridview function I declare here. I have a code, so I copy and paste here. I have already made a video on this topic, how to retrieve data from database and display in Gridview. If you didn't watch this video yet, then I will give a link in the description below. You can watch from there. and now call that function in page load event. If not is post back, and paste here. Now we call this function in submit button. Ctrl plus V, paste. Now Ctrl plus S, save. Open browser, refresh. See, there are two rows are inserted. Now I will insert a new customer information. Customer name Rohan Sergil. Address Bangalore West. Mobile number, email ID .com. Click on submit button. Data has been submitted successfully. See, Rohan Sergil is also inserted. Now I will again insert a new customer information. Kunal Khanna. Address Kolkata. Mobile number, email ID @.com. Now click on submit. A new row inserted, right? See, Kunal Khanna is also inserted in the customers table, right? Now let's check a database. Right click, execute SQL. See, there are 4 rows have inserted, right? In this way you can insert the data and show it in Gridview. It's a very easy and you can use in your project. Insert section is completed. Now I will do update section. Okay. Click on index.aspx, design, click on edit columns, select command field and click on plus symbol and select edit, update and cancel and click on add. If you want to display here like button, then select button. You know there are 3 options and you can choose as your according. Okay. You can change the color of the button and font style, etc. You know, you can change anything as your according. Now right click on arrow and click on properties. And now in data key names, type here customer ID, CID. I mean, through this customer ID, we will edit or update customer's record. Okay. Click on events. Double click on raw editing. And type here Gridview-1 dot edit index equal to a dot new edit index semicolon, and now copy this function and paste here, Ctrl plus V, semicolon, Ctrl plus S, save, open browser and refresh. Now click on edit. See, customer ID is also selected, right? But here I don't want customer ID to be selected because through customer ID we want to edit. For that we have to change some of the properties of customer ID. Click on edit columns, select customer ID. You can see here read only is false, right? Now we have to select true option. Okay. Now Ctrl plus S, stop debugging. Now execute. Refresh browser. Click on edit. Save. Customer ID is not select. Right? Now we have to write code on update button. Stop debugging. Right click on arrow. Properties. Row updating. Double click here. Type here int id equal to convert dot to int 32. Gridview-1 dot data keys a dot row index dot value dot to string. Semicolon. Enter string name equal to text box Gridview-1 dot rows e dot row index dot cells. ID is start on 0 cells. After that the cell will increase one by one. Okay, so now increase cell 1 dot controls 0 dot txt text semicolon. Now copy this, Ctrl plus C and paste here, and change string name and cells. Add cells increase to 3. Okay, using SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection and type here this is string name. Okay, con dot open SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command update customer table. Set cname equal to single quotation mark double quotation mark, plus plus, type this name, comma, address equal to single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, ADD, comma, move NO equal to single quotation mark, double quotation, plus plus, MOV NO, comma, email ID equal to single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, email, where customer ID CID equal to single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, ID, comma, con, semicolon, enter, int t equal to cmd dot execute non query if t is greater than 0, response dot write script close script tag, alert single quotation mark, data has updated, semicolon, Gridview-1 dot edit index equal to -1 semicolon and call that function. Okay, Ctrl plus V paste semicolon. Now Ctrl plus S save index.aspx. Now execute. I will edit customer name. Click on edit. Rohit Pandey. Click on update. Data has updated. Say customer name has changed, right? Now I will change the name and address of the customer whose ID is 3. ID 3, name is Rohan Sergil and address Bangalore West, right? Now I will edit. Deepak Sharma, address Bangalore South. Now click on update. See, the name and address has changed, right? If you don't want to edit, then you can click on cancel button. But right now the cancel button will not work because we haven't code behind the cancel button. So let's get coding. Stop debugging. Right click on arrow, properties, click on event, row cancelling edit, double click here and type here Gridview-1 dot edit index equal to -1 and GB bind. Okay. Now Ctrl plus S, save, execute. Click on edit. If you don't want to edit, you can click on cancel button. Let's see. So cancel button is working, right? In this way, you can edit and update the information of any customer in the ASP.NET Gridview. Update section is completed. Now I will do delete section. Select Gridview. Click on edit columns. Select command field and click on plus symbol and select delete and click on add. Select button type and OK. Now I will change the color of the button. Click on edit columns, select delete, control style, back color, and I select red. OK. And for color, white. Control plus S, save and execute. Right now this delete button will not work because I haven't done the coding yet on the button. So let's do coding on delete button. Okay. Stop debugging. Right click on arrow. Click on properties. Click on events and select row deleting and double click here. Type here int id equal to convert dot to int 32 Gridview-1 dot data keys a dot row index dot value dot to string. Semicolon. Type here using SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection and type here this string variable. Okay. Con dot open semicolon, SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command double quotation mark comma con delete from customer table. This table name, okay, customer TBL. Customer TBL, where customer ID CID equal to single quotation mark double quotation mark plus plus this ID, okay, and semicolon. Remember that through customer ID we will delete the record, okay. Enter int t equal to cmd dot execute known query if t is greater than 0 response dot write script and close script tag alert single quotation mark data has deleted. Enter Gridview-1 dot edit index equal to -1 and here call that function, okay, gbbind. Now control plus S, save index.aspx and execute. Currently there is 4 customers records in this table, right? As soon as I click on delete button, say data has deleted, I mean one row has deleted, Deepak Sharma's information deleted, right? Now let's check a database that Deepak Sharma's information has deleted or not. Right click, execute SQL, say Deepak Sharma's record is not in this table, right? Now I want to delete record of the customers whose customer ID is 2, okay, so click on delete. Data has deleted. Say customer ID 2 was deleted, right? Again I want to delete the customer's ID 4, Click on delete. See, customer ID 4 is also deleted. Now let's check a database. Right click and execute SQL. See, there are only one record of customer information, right? This means there are 3 records has deleted. In this way, you can delete the data very easily in Gridview. I hope you understood a complete ASP.NET Gridview, select, insert, update and delete. That's all for today. I will catch you with another new video. Till then, stay connected with our channel Dawa CIT. Thank you so much for watching.